Today I'm going to show you the way that you use the Signal theme. If you have a default theme inside of your Signal and you want to change it to a different one, let me show you the quick process on how it is done. Now the way that you do it is through the settings by tapping on the three dotted line on the top right and then head over to settings. Inside of settings you'll see a section called appearance. Now there is only a basic theme inside of Signal where you can change it to either a light theme or a dark theme, or you can also select a system default, meaning whatever you have on your phone installed, it will also be applied to your phone. So there are only theme options, the dark and the light theme, so you can select one of them. But apart from that, you can change the chat color and wallpapers. If you tap on this option right here, you can select a chat color that you want. You can, if you don't like the color that you see on this section, you can tap on the plus icon on the bottom and select a different color and also preview it. You can also select a gradient color if you want by managing these settings. Also, you can set wallpapers to your chats by tapping on one of these colors that are available, or you can also choose from a picture that is saved on your phone. So that's basically it on the way that you can use these Signal themes. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.